Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's just get right into the video. I would like a nice, fresh, easy look today. I'm just gonna run some errands. I'm gonna go to the store, browse around. You know, it's Saturday, it's beautiful outside. I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. This is the Sun Balm Face Screen, SPF 50. Dabble this a little bit. This is so easy. It just feels like a hydrating lotion. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Face and Body. This is in the shade N2. Everywhere I need a little bit of coverage. Pat this in with a flat brush. And I'm just putting this on to even out my skin tone. I'm just putting a little bit of a second layer on. Just right on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead, since I tend to get the rosacea really intense right here. This is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and mine is in the shade Custard, medium 1. I'm taking this on a flat paddle brush and just taking the bigger side of the paddle brush to pat it in. And to bronze up a little bit, I'm going back in with my Anastasia contour kit. I'm going to go in with this deep brown right here with a pretty fluffy brush and just press it in. And since I would like to go in with a powder blush, I'm first going to do my liquid highlight, and I'm just going to be using the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and this is in the shade Moonlight. Just like to take a drop and just dot it right on and alternate the blending so it doesn't dry down. And I'm going to go in with blush last, so all of the cream products on my face have a chance to settle in, since I'm not going to use any powder today. I'm going to quickly fill in my eyebrows with the Makeup Forever Brow Sculpting Brow Palette, and this is in the shade 1. I mix the two deepest shades. I'm finishing off my eyebrows with the Dior Show Bold Brow, and this is in the shade 002. Now for eyes, I want a eye look that doesn't take too much time to blend out, or it's not really fussy. So I'm just going to be taking two products. The Stilla is their Magnificent Metals, and this is in the shade Kitten. Like, the iridescence in this is gorgeous. The Bite Prismatic Multistick, and this is in the shade Rose Pearl. I'm going to first take the Prismatic Multistick just on my finger. It's just super light, but the glitters in it capture the light so beautifully. And I just want this to be sporadic, not really uniform. I'm just going to add a little bit of inner corner highlight with my Kaja Trio in Rosewater. This is the MAC Powder Blush in Mocha. I haven't used this blush in so long, it's so pretty. Taking the Kiehl's Balm number 1, the Bite Lip Pencil, and this is in 036, and the lipstick from Urban Decay that I believe is now discontinued, Matte Lipstick, 1993. Alright, so since my lips are kind of super chapped, my skin completely peeled on my skin right above my lip line, so that's why I had to overline a little bit. It might look a little crazy. I think it looks a little crazy, but it looks better than having a giant red peeled skin. So there's that. All right, and that completes this makeup look. I hope that you liked it, and I hope that you learned a little bit of something to utilize maybe some older products that you might have in your collection, such as the Stilla glitters or the Bite multi-sticks or the Anastasia contour kit that I cannot stop using. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Mix it up a little bit. It's all about mixing it up here. So I really want a nice light. I really want, why am I so awkward? Now for my cat found his toy. And finish it off. Oh, and finish this eyebrow look off. Yes, my eyebrows have a look. I'm gonna finish off my eyebrows with the Dior Show. I'm gonna finish off my eyebrows. Oh, I'm gonna finish off my eyebrows with the Dior Show. I cannot even. Mineralize. This is the MAC. I can't even talk today. This is the MAC. This is the MAC. My hair is just getting worse and worse.